Hi guys, welcome to CAMRIN TV.
Oh, hello there. I'm gonna teach you how to make a race game on Scratch Jr. So I'm gonna show you my few races. Let's start on Project 61. Okay, now let's start the race. See, you could do that, or if you have PBS Scratch Jr., you could record it as a video, or if you have the camera app. So, we could just make one. And I'm going to show you one more from Kart Kingdom. Well, we better do this. Dad, what do you think?
Go ahead, let's see.
Okay, now we're gonna start at Project 60, and then look, Engine Kart wins. That's very great. And also, I'm gonna change that to slow. 3, 2, 1. You see my characters race across the street, and everything races all the time, unless spongy goo. I could scrub spongy goo, but that's disgusting. Spongy goo. Well, we're gonna make some projects, and I'm gonna swipe it all the way down to 1. And then you could pick these videos. I could always make a chess game, but we're not going to finish it. So you could play this race. And then we're going to start it. See? They win because they're in the same speed. Always, they gotta be able to see it. Now I'm gonna make some of my race games, and I'm gonna teach you how to make them. So, are you ready? Great! Now we're gonna make a Roblox race. So, I'm going to teach you how to make draw as bacon hair first. And then we're going to start in using tap the paint button. We're going to use brown hair. Now we're going to use white. Okay, I'll help you. And then, see? Now we're gonna make the shirts. Go closely right here, and then make a line, and another line, and then paint it. And then we're gonna make a cyan color, and then we're gonna like this, and then okay, we're not done yet, so I'm gonna cut this out, and I'm gonna paint the pants dark green. So I'm gonna cut it this. Cut this out. Oh no, what's happening? I tapped it. It's good. It's working. Okay. Now we're gonna use white shoes. Look closely and paint the mouth black. Now we turned off as a bacon, but one more thing. it needs a line coming down. A line coming down across. Now we made dot bacon. What do you think? Let's check the thing. Okay, now we're going to start with the projects. We're going to start right here in the bug garden. And then also we're going to make a Roblox noob. And then, is it working? Now we're gonna make, it's working? It's working still? Oh yeah, you could drag it? Wow, that's great. Now we're gonna use dot. And I'm gonna cut off Dot's hair. Okay, this doesn't, no. I'm just gonna, come on. Just gotta start at the hair, paint it yellow. And then we just also need the toss row and all this. And then green all the way. And then always, we made a Roblox noob, but closely paint this black. Also, now we made Dot into a noob. Very great. And then we're gonna just make this. We made it to a noob. Now we did bacon hair and noob. Now we're gonna do a bacon girl. So now start Dot's character, and we just need the girl's hair to be red, this color red. And then always we're just gonna paint the skin. And Daddy, can you Google bacon girl? So do this. Can you see it? And then two of them. And also the pants. Oh yes. So if you know bacon girl, you must Google it, so you can know what it is. So what about this one? Okay, so we need this hair. And I made the hair already. Now we're gonna make the shorts. This color. Paint it. Okay. Now we're gonna go closely, and then just also just cut out this. Wait, not yet, Daddy. You have to draw the line, color. All done. Now the pants. Okay, we'll do this. Nothing works. Okay, now we're gonna use the white shoes. Okay, he has only black shoes. Cut off. Now we're all done. Bacon girl. Now I'm gonna teach you how to make a race game. So first, it goes only like very fast. And then 15 steps. So if I tap this, 15 plus 4 equals, if I tap 5 plus 20, if I do 5 plus 15, it equals 20. So, yeah, so bacon hair goes only 20 steps. When 15th step, it goes only 20 steps away. And then the noob will go even this, and then goes all the way to 15 steps. 15. It could almost touch the finish line. And Bacon Girl goes a little slow. Of course. And then goes only like 15. 15? Now we better start the race. Bacon Girl wins. A noob, a Bacon Girl, go slow. Now you made a race game. Well, guys, see you later. I hope you can make all kinds of projects with Roblox. Well, if you have PBS Kids Scratch Jr., you could go to PBS Kids Scratch Jr. If you don't have PBS Kids Scratch Jr., ask your parents to download it, okay? Or if you have only Scratch Jr., you could do this and make all 71 projects. And then next time we could play our Scratch Junior PBS Kids Day. Well, see you later, guys. Bye.
Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.